Hello YouTube, this is Little Mr. Hardcore aka Robert, and we picked up a couple of these boxes. They sell decently, I guess, on eBay, but there's like what are they called? Holograms in there, if you can find them, and the holograms sell decently. I'm assuming that's why the boxes sell decently. But we're gonna go ahead and open. We got two of them, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this one. It's the X-Men. Marvel Comics X-Men Series 2 trading cards, so we're looking for holograms and foil stamped cards randomly packed. So I got a really good deal on these, so I thought, what the hey, let's open one and keep the other one sealed. If anybody's interested in the other one, I'm not sure what it would be, but they sell for like 30 or something like that on eBay. But hey, there's the packs. We'll give him a stack and me a stack. And let's look for the shinies. And I don't know what the holo foils look like, so maybe I can go through some while we do this. And we look for Wolverine because, oh, Deadpool's in here. Let's see what we got. Cyclops. Can you see this? Oh, there's a glare. A horrible, horrible glare. Cyclops. Sorry for the glare. I don't know if I can fix that or not. But Cyclops. Cable, Nasty Boys, Gideon, Brotherhood of Evil Mutants, Shatterstar, Beast, Hazard. That looks like this is a Sabretooth, Cannonball, Mutant thing again, and Storm. Sabretooth, Beast, Quicksilver, there's a Wolverine, X-Factor, and Black Tom. Ha! Wow. Next, we're going to have to bust through these, because this video might be long. Oh, there we go, Deadpool. That's pretty cool. Apocalypse, Blob, Six Pack, Jubilee, and Juggernaut. Who do we got over here? Cable. I think he's supposed to be in the next Deadpool movie. Bishop, Boomer, the Sentinel Strikes, Dark Riders, and Siren. Next. Mastermind, Deathstrike, Domino, X-Men, Strong Guy, Stat Wire 9. That's, yeah, you know you really are trying for names when you just name someone Strong Guy. The Brood, Black Queen, Arcade, The Power of Professor X, X-Men Gold. Oh, there's a foil one. Sundot. We'll save it for now in case there's nothing else in the book or in the box. So set it aside. Ah, lost a pack. Iceman, Havoc. Oh, there's a foil. 30 years of Cyclops. So we don't need this one no more. Here's what he got. He got 30 years Cable. So 2 foils so far. Pyro, Excalibur, and Storm. Try to keep your cards straight. Thank you. Don't bang them on the table. Mr. Sinister, Callisto, Captain Britain, Gambit, Wolverine. There's a good one. Mojo, Bishop Colossus. He used in the video game, the arcade game. He used to be my favorite character. Cerise maybe. Jamie Braddock, Deathbird. Man, we're already into it. We got lots of skim through these fast. Nightcrawler. I'll just go to the ones that I heard of. So, oh, checklist. I was wondering what that was. I'll get you, don't worry. I'm trying to hurry because There's a lot. Here's what I'm going to do for mine. We're going to do the thing Chris does and just open packs. So it's going to be a little bit of dead air for a minute. Trying to hurry up and open these packs. I'll try to keep you guys entertained while I bust these packs open. Then I can just, well, here we go. Rogue, I know who that is. X-Men Gold again. White Queen, I had a comic of her once. I think I sold it though. Let's go through this little stack here. Apocalypse. Blob again. Pyro again. Jubilee. Juggernaut. If you see any that you know, that X-Force, the checklist again, that, or is anybody important, let me know. Cyclops, Callisto, Colossus again, Arcade, Cable. It's a lot of the same people over and over. Bishop, Deathbird again, Shatterstar, Wolverine again. That's a different Wolverine though. Silver Fox, Phoenix. Like I said, if I know them, I'll tell ya. Did you get a shiny? Okay, just put the whole pack somewhere. I think he pulled a shiny. Jubilee, or a hollow, or whatever they're calling it. Jean Grey. Magneto. That Magneto's kind of cool. It's different. Wolfsbane. Got the... Put it over there. What do we got here? Iceman, Havoc, another Wolverine, Storm, and Wolfsbane again. I just got that. Seems like when you get one card, you get a bunch. Omega Red, Toad, Mystique. I liked her in the movies. Archangel, Shadowcat. I got a few packs. I don't know if it's one per box or what. So far, it's two foils and Professor X, Quicksilver, Wolverine again. Seems like they, so far it's two foils and one hollow per box. Bishop, but these Beast, Storm, Black Tom again. Man, these cards are about to fall. I got a mess. Here's my stack. Tolliver, Beast, Hazard, Bishop again. A lot of Bishops. Tolliver, Dictator, Mystique, Rogue, Professor X, White Queen, Polaris, Multiple Man, X-Men Blue, Warpath, Magneto again, Wolverine again, Jubilee. These are the ones I know. Nightcrawler, Jean Grey. Don't know who that is. Black Queen again. Arcade. Oh, another foil. Juggernaut. So that's pretty cool. Got 3 so far. Cannonball, X-Force, and Sunspot. Got 4 packs left. Another Deadpool card. Boomer. Sabretooth. Cable. I'll get them. Hold on. Mr. Sinister, Professor X, Archangel, Gambit, Wolverine again, The Brood. 2 packs, plus what he has left, and looks like 1 foil. Colossus, Cyclops, Cable, something. What's this one? Oh, another Wolverine. Last pack. Deadpool again. Callisto. Blob. Mojo. Juggernaut. Okay, here's his stack. X-Men. Deadpool again. There's like 4 or 5 Deadpools. Searies. Britain. Gambit. Storm. I'm sorry if y'all can't see these. I'm just trying to bust through them because it's over 10 minutes. So here's the foils again. One real quick. Juggernaut, Cable, and Cyclops. At least it was people we knew. And then we got, here's the pack. Deathstrike, Phoenix, Megan, 6-pack, Shinobi, and our foil is Storm. Right? Yes, Storm foil. That's a pretty cool card. I don't know if y'all can see that, but shine. Look at that shine. So that's our hits from that box. I'm not sure if we're going to do the other box. I don't know. That was kind of fun. So we'll see, and we won't have to go through all the cards again. So thanks for watching. Bye!